Very good morning, dear students. From the 16th slide in control flow testing, we are continuation of this class. This is the statement coverage criterion. Statement coverage means executing individual program statements and observing the output. Statement coverage, branch coverage, path coverage, these are the types of criteria. In this class, we are continuing from that of a statement coverage criterion. Statement coverage means executing individual program statements and observing the output. 100% statement coverage means all the statements have been executed at least once. Cover all assignment statements, cover all conditional statements. Less than 100% statement coverage is unacceptable. Paths for statement coverage of the control flow graph of previous one. We observed the two types of control flow graph, compute return average, and second one is open files. So this is the control flow graph. Selection criteria path 1, selection criteria path 2. Two paths are displayed here. Branch coverage criterion. A branch is an outgoing edge from a node in CFG. Control flow graph, we have nodes. From a node, it's an outgoing edge. A condition node has two outgoing branches corresponding to the true and false values of the condition. Coverage a branch means executing a path that contains the branch. 100% branch coverage means selecting a set of paths such that each branch is included on some path. Path selection criteria, again we observe this, the return average diagram or control flow graph. Here the dotted arrows represent the branches not covered by the statement covering in table 4.4. Here we observe that this is the again variable declaration, variable initialization, and again conditional statement, true branch and false branch. Here the computation of the value, and again the dotted lines here, and this is the false statement and this is the return average. The dotted arrows represent the branches not covered by the statement covering in table previous. Branch coverage criterion. A branch is an outgoing branch from a node in CFG. A condition has two outgoing branches corresponding to the true and false values of the condition. Covering a branch means executing path that contains the branch. 100% branch coverage means selecting a set of paths such that each branch is included in some path. Here branch coverage path 1, path 2, path 3, path 4, path 5. At least you remember two paths. These are the examples of branch coverage, 5 paths. You at least remember the 3 paths from the control flow graph of the return average. Path selection criteria based on predicate coverage criterion. If all possible combinations of truth values of the condition affecting a path have been explored under some tests, then we say that predicate coverage has been achieved. Predicate is the condition, whether we are checking the truth values of the conditions affecting a path have been explored under some tests. So path selection criteria. Here this is the diagram. Here partial control flow graph with OR operation and AND operation. OR operation and AND operation. Here this is the diagrammatic presentation. This is the OR symbol. we are using object 1, object 2, object 3, AB1, compute AB2, AB3. Here the if OB, here OB block 1, OB block 2. Here the AND operator is used if AB evaluated true, A block 1, otherwise false, A block 2. This is the diagrammatic presentation. You may clearly observe in your PPT sent by me. Generating test input. Having identified a path, a key question is how to make the path execute if possible. Generate input data that satisfy all the conditions on the path. Key concepts in generating test input data: input vector, predicate, path condition, predicate interpretation, path predicate expression, generating test input from path predicate expressions. Here input vector, predicate condition, path condition, predicate interpretation, path predicate expression, generating test input from path predicate expression. Generating test input. From that we are coming to discuss about the everyone. The first one is the input vector. It is a collection of all data entities read by the routine whose values must be fixed prior to the entering the routine. So collection of data entities fixed prior to entering the routine. Members of input vector can be as follows: input arguments to the routine, global variables and constants, files, contents of registers, network connections, timers. These are the members of input vector. Input arguments to the routine, global variables and constants, files, contents of registers, network connections, timers. Example: an input vector for open files consists of individual presence or absence of the file 1, file 2 and file 3. Example: the input vector of return average shown in diagram 4.6, value AS, min, max is the input vector. Predicate. Predicate is a logical function evaluated as a decision point. Ti is less than AS is a predicate in node 3 of diagram 4.7. The construct OB is a predicate in node 5 in diagram 4.9. Path predicate is the set of predicates associated with a path. Along a path, the number of or set of predicates associated set is known as path predicate. In diagram 4.10, an example path from the above diagram, you already observe 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, then after 7, 8, 9, 3 at false condition side, 10 true, 12, 13, it is the path. 4.11 diagram, the path predicate for the path shown in diagram 4.10, Ti is less than AS equals to true, value of I is not equals to minus 999 equals to true, value of I is greater than or equals to min equals to true, value of I is less than or equals to max equals to true, Ti is less than AS equals to false, TV is greater than 0 is the true predicate. Predicate interpretation. So, a path predicate may contain local variables. Example: I, Ti, TV in diagram 4.11 are local variables. Local variables play no role in selecting inputs that force a path to execute. Local variables can be eliminated by a process called symbolic execution. Predicate interpretation is defined as the process of symbolically substituting operations along a path in order to express the predicate solely in terms of the input vector and a constant vector. A predicate may have different interpretations depending on how control reaches the predicate. Path predicate expressions All interpreted path predicate is called a path predicate expression. A path predicate expression has the following attributes. It's a void of local variables, set of constraints in terms of the input vector and maybe constants. Path forcing inputs can be generated by solving the constraints. If a path predicate expression has no solution, the path is infeasible. Diagram 4.13, path predicate expression for the path shown in diagram 4.10. The previously we are writing here path predicate expressions. 0 is less than, as equals to true, value of 0 is not equals to minus 999 true, 3, 4, 5, 6, here I is greater than 0 equals to true. These are the statements. Path predicate expression, an example of infeasible path. Another example of path from diagram 4.7. 1, 2, 3. 3 of true, that is the true side of the bidirectional if then else statement. 4f false side, 10 true branch, and 12, 13. Path predicate expression for the path shown in above diagram 4.14. Again 0 is less than, yes equals to true, value of 0 is not equals to 999 true, it's another condition. 0 is greater than or greater than 0, it's a true. It's examples. Generate in test input, generating input data from a path predicate expression. Consider the path predicate expressions in diagram 4.13. We are having again 6 statements. One can solve the above equations to obtain the following test input data. As equals to 1, min equals to 25, max equals to 35, value of 0 equals to, it's the index equals to 30. The above set is not unique. Containing infeasible paths. A program unit may contain a large number of paths. Path selection becomes a problem. Some selected paths may be infeasible. Apply a path selection strategy. Select as many short paths as possible. Choose longer paths. There are efforts to write code with fewer or no infeasible paths. The summary about the control flow testing. Control flow is a fundamental concept in program execution. A program path is an instance of execution of a program unit. Select a set of paths by considering path selection criteria: statement coverage, branch coverage, predicate coverage, all paths. You remember the selection criteria: 4 types: statement coverage, branch coverage, predicate coverage, all paths coverage. From source code, derive a control flow graph. Select paths from control flow graph based on path selection criteria. Among the 4 types, extract path predicates from each path. Solve the path predicate expression to generate test input data displayed above. There are 2 kinds of paths: feasible, infeasible. By this, we stop this class and meet in the next class. Thank you, one and all.